Hi everybody, it's me Jamie. Guess what? I have more darn good yarn! Yes, I ordered the subscription. I think that's what this is. I did order something else, but I think this is what I ordered, the subscription. So, this would probably be either May's or June's. I think I ordered it in May, so I'm not sure. So let's open it up and find out! This has probably been sitting at my house for about like a week. I have been helping my sister move, and I went on vacation and went camping. So, let's see what this is. It's the smaller purple box. Come on, come out of the bag. Rustle, rustle, rustle. Okay, so this is the Darn Good Yarn Indigo Coil. So, okay, yeah, this is a pamphlet I've gotten before. Talks about Darn Good Yarn products, etc., etc. Okay, and this is their thank you letter. Okay. And let's see, this is the invoice. Yes, this is the yarn of the month. Okay. Oh, there's supposed to be one more. Okay. There's supposed to be one more. But anyway. This is the yarn of the month, I do believe. And okay. So what did I got, here's the yarn. So it's this lovely, like, I don't know, I guess you can say turquoise and fuchsias. A little bit of green in there. It's really soft. I bet you this is reclaimed silk. Let's see what this is. Worsted weight, silk, roving with watercolors. That's really pretty. It's very soft. And let's see, this is about I'm not sure how many yards it is. It's not really telling me. Oh, it's 75 yards. It's in small print. Yes, 75 yards. Alrighty, very pretty. It feels very, very soft. It's kind of squishy too. But it's rubbing, which means it'll go from thick to thin, thick to thin, thick to thin. Really nice. Okay, and then they gave me some, these look like knitting needles, I believe. Yes. So I can actually practice a little knitting. I need to. I need to practice my knitting. I know how to do I know how to do cast on one way and do one stitch. That's all I know how to do. I don't even know the name of the stitch. That's all I know how to do. It's just what somebody showed me a really long time ago. Okay, yarn of the month. Kind of tells me all about their stuff. This particular yarn. Okay, so it's a roving silk, 75 yards. Mystery gift is, and a crochet hook. Oh, there is a hook in here. Oh, I thought it was just 3 knitting needles. Where did it go? Where did I put it? There it is. Oh, well, okay. Oh, it's so pointy. It looks like a knitting needle. Really. There. I don't know if you can kind of see it against the blinds there. Yeah, so that would be interesting to try with. Also, I really thought it was a knitting needle. It was so pointy. These are really pointy. Wow. So definitely going to try that out. Just out of curiosity, see how well it works up. It's really light. I mean, for wood, I mean, it's really light. It's not as heavy as, say, the aluminum hooks that I'm used to. Okay. So, long booklet, right booklet, okay. Alrighty. So this tells me about the Yarn Club exclusives. So I get club shipping rate. There's a dashboard. Need a break. Let's see. Unparalleled customer service, online community, and the stitch. Oh, it's going to teach me how to do a stitch. YouTube on stitches. New to knitting and crocheting. Ah. So, I kind of have instructions here. The knit pattern is for a welcome to the party cowl. So this is kind of what it looks like. Right there. And for the crochet, party headband or cowl. And this is the picture that they gave for that. Questions or comments, blah blah blah. Thank you so much. Okay, cool. I don't know if I will use it for those particular things, but I do think it's really pretty. I don't know, I'm thinking like little, like a phone case or something for this. It's really soft. Oh, it's smooth. It is so smooth. Yeah, but it's screaming phone case for me. Like, I might make a phone case. I don't know, maybe two. Who knows? Yeah, that's what it's telling me. It's the first thing I think of when I look at this. It says phone case. Or a little strap or something. A strappy thing to hang my, phone on. But we'll see. We'll see what it will come to be. Okay. Well, that's it, guys. That's me in a nutshell. I don't have any much going on for content right now. There is that collaboration that I'm part of with Crystal, the Yarny Chicken, and Crazy Cat Lady, and she's doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, and so I have a video for that. It's hashtag 500 collab giveaway. Look for that video. We'll give you more information about that. Watch it completely. Give it a thumbs up. Please give this video a thumbs up, and just leave a comment. Please be kind, and you all go have a great day, and I'll see y'all later. Ta-ta for now.